Create a modern image card UI with gradient overlay using Jetpack Compose. Open Canva. Size 300x520. Design the card. Search travel image in elements. Align the image properly. Export as PNG. Open Android Studio. Add image to drawable. Create a full-screen box container. Add a rounded card layout. Set the travel background image. Apply a dark gradient overlay. Create a glass morphism favorite button. At the top right favorite icon. Display the star rating. Add the destination title. Adjust spacing and alignment. Show the location with an icon. Change text. Create a modern gradient button. Add the Explore button text. Insert the arrow icon. Preview the final travel card design. Final gradient overlay UI. Tip: watch the full series on my channel. Like, share, subscribe.